Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, copyright infringers, trolls, or haters of Art Bell, or haters at all. And I'm going to say one of the cheapskates. Now, I buy stuff for this channel out of my own pocket, usually, or with my new credit card, or my other new credit card. And yet I get constant emails, why aren't you going live? Why aren't you going to go live? But no one offers to repair my iPad, the $210, or buy me a new one, the $324 iPad I could buy right now if people would send me the money. 54 people watched that video today. Not a dime comes in. So I think it's shameful. I've got almost 1,400 subscribers. Most of them don't support this channel financially, and yet they all wanted me to do live videos. So I've got about 12 boxes to unbox. I'm not going to show you all the videos. I'm going to do the videos and save them. And let's see what happens. I'm going to do 2 right now, and I'm going to go to the store and get my antibiotics. But all of these could be live, and one of them is huge. I wish it were live because I don't know where I'm gonna put the thing, and it came in a gigantic box. So, and I carried stuff home with the post office, which it's very hot right now. It's 85 here. I thought summer was supposed to be over, but it obviously isn't here. So I'm gonna do this video and do the next one and go to the store and get my antibiotics. Then I gotta feed Orangey and Gray when I get back. I fed Talkie and Tiny. And I'm gonna get a haul video. You won't get to see those because they're gonna be sitting, waiting to see what happens. So if you want to see me do this stuff live out in the balcony, well, for one thing, I'm not roasting my ass off. Donate. Donate to PayPal, falky2013@gmail.com, so I can buy that new iPad that's available for sale right now. I could have it in my hands within a day. And if you don't want to see live, then continue to watch the pre-recorded videos. But I'm going to say right now, after I do all these videos, I'm taking 2 weeks off. Because I can't see my busting my ass to do videos for people that won't support me. Although they claim they love my videos, they want to see me go live. So you got a choice. You can donate and see videos and see them live, or you can not donate and see no videos. I need to clean this place up. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. And here we go. Here is the unboxing. Now we have this coming from Chicago, Illinois. This cost me about $50. It was my own money. No one else's. And actually, I put it in the credit card. And unfortunately, I keep doing one thing in here. I keep putting my scissor down, then I keep losing my scissor. Oh, there's my scissor. Once I got smart. Okay, this is the Vivitar Full HD 1080p Action Cam. Vivitar Experience software, downloadable, easy guide, waterproof casing, bicycle mount, helmet mount, which I still have my old bicycle helmet. Don't have the bicycle anymore. Rechargeable built-in lithium battery, AC charger, USB cable, 1-year warranty, and it works on Windows XP, Vista SP, or Windows 7, and works on a Mac with OS X 5.0 or larger, and I have, I think, 6.0 on my Mac. So let's open this up. And I paid more for this than normal because I wanted my favorite color, the red one. By the way, I have another thing to show you, but I won't be showing you that till next month because I need a key. So, and I used the popcorn popper last night, so I will do a future video showing you how I use the popcorn popper. Open up again. Okay, here's the front. Here is the back. Let's open the side. Ow, this edge is sharp. you ever get one of these, be careful. Well, there went the camera. Alright, there is the camera. Front. Or back and front, actually. Put that down. Still struggling with this packaging here. If you like the mayor who cut the ribbon in the Towering Inferno, he had issues too with cutting the ribbon. Let's see. Did not. Okay, there's. Let's see. Do not return to store. If you have any problem with the camera, call tech support. Here's a warranty certificate. Here is the image manager. Connect your Mac. Download the Vivitar Experience Manager software. Follow instructions to install software. Software will open. Here's troubleshooting for DVR 786 HD4. They have an earlier version of this. On the back of this, water bubbles. Okay, and then we have inside of here many. We have here, I'm not sure what this red thing is. Might be a helmet mount, might be a bicycle mount. I can't tell, got to look. There goes a scissor. Here is the USB cable, the charging brick, a piece of thing to stick to your helmet, I guess. A strap, and here's another piece that goes with something. I'll have to figure that out. Look in the manual when I have time. I don't have time right now because of the store. And more stuff. Oh my God. And I don't know. Well, some of this I can figure out. This here, and then there's this. Oh, I see what it does. Okay. This thing here. Then you got this piece and this piece. I presume. Let's see. Oh, that's not the way it goes. Stops. Try it the other way. Well, whatever this is not threading. So I don't know what the hell to do with this. I'll try to figure it out later. Alright. And there we go. You open the little clamp. Here's the cover for the back of the camera. Take the little cover off. This is the waterproof housing. And unlike the Polaroid, this has a screen on it and can be mounted on a tripod. So let's see what happens if I... And there you go. And there are videos showing you how to do this. Didn't stay on very long. Vivitar, we make fun. But I can now see what I'm doing. I'll have to get an SD card. That's on the side here. So we'll see how this works. I'll watch some videos of how this operates. And while I'm gone, I will take the charger and I'll plug it in. But now I have a video camera. Whether it's any good or not, that I'll have to try out. But it's getting late in the evening. It's 5:27. By the time I get back, it'll be dark. So I will plug this in. And when I get back, I will see if it works and do a test video. Okay, I see it plugs into here. And then this plugs into the camera. Somehow. There we go. Very simple. All I have to do is find an open plug, which isn't easy. All right, I can do it up here. And it says prompt no card. Says 1/21/2019. No videos. And I'll have to read the book, but whatever it does, it works. So there it is. So I'll have to read this. I gotta go up to Walmart tomorrow, and I will go and figure this out. And then I have an appointment on the 14th in San Francisco with the doctor. Maybe I'll film a trip to San Francisco. All right. That's it for this one. Vivitar camera. 786 HD. I forget if it's 1080p. I think it's 1080p. All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be. Hope you stay cool where you are. And stay safe, and donate to the channel to help me get a new iPad. And this is a not live video that could be live. Bye. Bye-bye for now.